This 2022 Forest River Cherokee 264 DBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, TV, water heater, external shower, smoke detector, refrigerator, stovetop burner, slide out, LP detector, awning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee 264 DBH is 6,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.